What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to open an LLC in Wisconsin. So starting an LLC and creating your own business could be one of the best things that you could potentially do. Like for me, I've always worked for myself and I wouldn't have it any other way, to be honest. Like there are the highs and lows when opening up your business, but ultimately you have the decision to do whatever you want for your business. Like the more you work, the more return you have on whatever you do. That's what I really like about being a business owner and why I recommend you to do it. So this video is going to be really fast and simple. So just to get everything clear, when you create your LLC, I just want to keep this in mind that you always have to renew it every year. So in the beginning of every year, you have about like 3 to 4 months to renew it. Just make sure you renew it to keep the LLC active, or not. If not, you might have to pay a late penalty fee. That's for everything, right? And then the second thing is you want to get something that's called an EIN number for the LLC. The EIN number is issued by the IRS, and this is something that you get only one time, and this is like basically like a 9-digit number that's almost like the social security of the LLC. That's how I like to explain it. This is a number that you get from the IRS, and when you open up a business bank account and a business credit card, they're going to ask for that 9-digit number. So don't worry. I'm going to show you guys how to get the LLC and the EIN number today, less than 5 minutes. If you want to follow along with the whole process, I'll have the link of what I use in the description down below. It's a company called 𝗤𝙀𝙀𝗀𝗋. I highly recommend them. They're super easy to get your LLC done literally really fast. Let's get started. You can click those links to follow along if you'd like. So we are here on 𝗤𝙀𝙀𝙀𝗀𝗋, and I'm going to show you guys how to get your LLC less than 5 minutes. So we're going to go and choose the state. For this example, we're looking at Wisconsin. So we're going to go here to Wisconsin here, and we're going to click Get Started. Okay, now we are here on 𝗤𝙀𝙀𝙀𝗀𝗋, Wisconsin. You want to have a business name already in mind when you start. So I sell full-time on Amazon, so I'm going to put like Midtown Power Seller. Let's say that's a new business name that I'm trying to create. And then we're going to put LLC. And we're going to check if it's available. Oh, I made a mistake. You don't have to type in LLC because it already does it for you. Now you're going to check if it's available, and yes, it is available. Now you're going to click Next here. And then they're just going to ask you a couple of questions here, and we're going to do this really fast. What stage is Midtown Power Seller currently in? We're going to be taking our first few steps. When do you plan on launching? Let's say in a few weeks. If you have a few months, more than 3 months, you can click whatever works for you. And then what industry? So selling on Amazon is in e-commerce. So you could put e-commerce here, but if whatever industry you're in, you can click any letter here and it'll show a ton of industries for you to choose from. For Amazon, it's e-commerce, and that is selling physical goods. We'll click Next here. Do you plan on hiring employees in the upcoming years? For me to know if it's a yes, or you have business partners, you can click yes here. Not sure, you can click here. And then you're going to put the zip code you're going to be operating from. And also, what are you going to be doing? Online, brick and mortar, or on the go? For me, it's online. Okay, and then what are you going to be doing today for your LLC? We're going to be doing the LLC and also the EIN number. This is what you need to open up a business bank account and a business credit card. We'll click Next here. And then what have you currently done for the business? We're scrolling. Honestly, I haven't done nothing for this, so we're just going to skip this here. And then how did you discover 𝗤𝙀𝙀𝙀𝗀𝗋 Brands? So if you're watching this video, just click YouTube. We'll click Next here. And do you want to join the program of coaching? No, thank you. Okay, now you're just going to type in your personal info here. So we're going to put some stuff here. Okay, and then password, and we're going to click Next. And then this is something that I recommend you to get. It all depends on your situation, right? So 𝗤𝙀𝙀𝙀𝗀𝗋 Brands could get the EIN number for you. It's only $99 here. And like I said, you need the EIN number in order to create an LLC. So you could get the EIN number yourself after you've established your LLC. You just have to go to the IRS website. You have to sign up during the weekdays, not the weekends, because I don't know why the website does not work on weekends. It's really weird, but you can get the EIN number the same day. But let's say if you're not into computers or you think you might have a hard time getting it, you can always have Taylor Brands get it for you. It's only $99. All depends on your situation, right? If you're trying to save money, you can get it yourself. If you don't mind paying a little extra, you can tell them to get the EIN number for you. So for this example, we're going to have Taylor Brands get the EIN number for us because that's what we really need. And then they're also going to ask, do you want to assign a registered agent for your LLC? Personally, I always am my own registered agent for all of my LLCs. The only time like you would have a registered agent, ideally, is like, let's say you're trying to create an LLC in Wisconsin, but you don't live in Wisconsin. Then you have to have a registered agent on your behalf because you need to live in the state to create an LLC in the state. So that's like a loophole why sometimes they have registered agents. And why would you even do this is because there's sometimes tax benefits filing in different states. But that's like if you're a multi-millionaire. It all depends, like I said, on your situation. For me, I am always my own registered agent. If your CPA recommends you, maybe you have a multi-million-dollar business years down the line to create an LLC in a different state, then that's a different story. But for the majority of people watching this, I would say for them to be their own registered agent. So let's go back here, and you're going to appoint a different registered agent, which is going to be yourself. You're going to click next here, and they're going to ask you, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. And do you want Taylor Brands to auto-renew your LLC for you every year? They charge $199. Honestly, you have a couple of months to renew in the beginning of every year, usually like 3 or 4. So I always handle it myself. If you think you're going to forget, you can have them do it for you. But for me, I'm going to handle it myself. We'll click next here. And then, do you want a branding toolkit? For me, no thank you. This is something that I recommend you to get though. So it all depends, like I said, on your situation. If you want faster filing time and get your LLC done in 2 days, you can pay $49 a little extra, or you can wait 2 weeks and not have to pay anything. All depends, like I said, on your situation. Let's say we really are ready to make money. We have everything ready, set. Like we want to get our business bank account, business credit card. Then I personally would pay a little bit extra to get that expedited filing time. So we're going to put that for this example. But let's say if you have a lot on your plate, you can always click that 2 weeks and get it, for free. So now they're going to ask, do you need an operating agreement? You really don't need this. Nope. And then do you need business records? You don't need this as well. This is not needed. And do you want bookkeeping and invoices? No, thank you. Okay, and do you want to get notified about all of your LLCs and all that stuff? Personally, I do. Just in case like I have to renew the LLC or anything comes up, they'll notify me. We're going to click next here, and then you're going to have 3 plans to choose from. But if you saw and followed along, we already got the EIN number earlier, and we also got the expedited filing time. So even if we click the light here, which is something that I always go with, we always have to pay the state filing fee no matter what. So Wisconsin's state filing fee is $131. This is something you have to pay every year to keep your LLC active, right? So we're going to click here, the light, and you're going to see here that we have the expedited filing time and also the EIN number as well. So expedited, the Wisconsin state filing fee, $131. We got fast filing for $49. Let's say if you didn't want to get fast filing and you don't mind waiting 2 weeks, you can click this and just have to pay the $131. And that's it. You go here, you will see the auto renew thing. You're going to do it yourself. The registered agent, which is going to be yourself, and the EIN number is, we're going to pay a little extra for this, or you can manually do it yourself. So to get your LLC done today is only $180. You would just pay with your card here and you're all set and done. And that is how you get your LLC really fast and easy. And with this, you're going to be able to open up your business bank account, business credit card, be an established business. Do not procrastinate on this. Like, do this today. Like, it's one of the best things that you could potentially do. Do not procrastinate creating your own brand, creating your own business. If you need anything, any questions, leave a comment down below. I'm here to help you guys out as much as I can. And also, if you like this video, hit that like, subscribe. It means a lot to me, especially that if you're still watching, it means a ton to me. because this channel is pretty new, so any support I get, I really appreciate it. That's about it, guys. If you want to use this, link is in the description as well as in the pinned comments. Peace.